정책과는 무엇이 다르고 또 나아가서 인텔의 파트너십 정책과는 또 다른 게 뭔지 알려주십시오.
So first let me talk about the program, then we will talk about Intel. So first, the Fusion Partner Program is designed to do a few things. One is to allow partners to sell all of our products and to reward them and provide them incentive for doing that. So we have many parts of the PC semiconductor chain, right? So CPU, graphics, chipset, and the idea was to give partners a number of benefits for selling all AMD products, whereas before we would proceed with those goals separately. Graphics separate from CPU, separate from chipset. So it's one of the big differences. Second is our partner program is designed differently than most any that are out there today, including Intel's. It's very important for us to design benefits and incentives and marketing based on the way our partners do business with their customers, not the way we do business with our partners. So we have made the program customized to our partners' business model.
현지 기업에 대한 인수로 뭐 단기간에 판매 인프라를 확보한다는 전략 같은 것을 구사할 수 있다라고 좀 판단이 듭니다. 어떤 최근에 또 이제 글로벌 기업들이 대부분 이제 경기가 좋아지면서 M&A 부분에 대한 생각도 고려를 하고 있는데요. 제같이 이렇게 판단하는 부분에 대해서는 어떻게 생각하시는지.
So let me say there are two things. First is yes, that getting additional sales coverage and channel coverage sooner is better for us, and we are looking into multiple approaches to do just that, whether it's acquisition or outsource, hiring of folks who can help us cover the channel and call on partners, and as well working with distributors to allow us to connect to smaller partners that today we do not cover directly. We are looking into all of these options aggressively now. Let me say also that we have had in one quarter some very significant results, increase in business across all the product areas in the new partner program. So we are seeing benefits immediately.
FPP라는 새로운 채널 정책에 참여하기 위한 조건이 꼭 까다롭지는 않는가?
So first question was, are the rules more strict? No, they are globally consistent and regionally flexible around joining the program. So the very topmost tier of partners we have around the world, representation from every region, and those partners, there are some very consistent rules on how you become one of the best partners. But anyone who is currently a business doing sales either to other channel partners or to end customers in the component channel today can join FPP. So you just join at the bottom level of the program, and then there are certain rules to get up higher in the program and get additional incentives. So the answer is not that it's more or less strict, but rather that it's very consistent.
최근 전문가들은 30나노의 통합 CPU, 그래픽 칩셋 등을 내놓은 인텔과 AMD의 기술 격차가 이전보다 훨씬 더 벌어졌다고 평가하는 사람들이 많습니다.
And if the products are not competitive, they will not buy them. We have technology that we will release this year and next that we feel is very, very competitive against our rival. And we believe that the parts we have now in the market are very competitive as well, as evidenced by Lenovo and some new design wins with new OEMs who have previously only sold Intel.
삼성전자가 LG전자의 디스플레이 패널을 사서 공급을 하고 있거든요. 그러니까 이 경쟁자의 관점이 아니라 이제는 어떤 시장에서의 강자 간의 연합을 통해서 동반 성장을 꾀하고 있는 분위기도 있습니다. 어떤 수평적인 제휴를 생각해 볼 수 있는 시점이거든요. 그런 측면에서 이와 비슷한 어떤 사업 구상을 생각하고 있는 게 있을까요?
Regarding your question about alliances between competitors, in most markets, and previous to this job, I came from storage, and it was very similar. We used to call it co-opetition, where competitors cooperate in some cases. There are places where Intel and AMD interests are aligned. I cannot specifically talk about things that we are doing with our competitor, but what I can tell you is there are places where things are complementary, not competitive. And I think you pointed out one with Samsung and LG. There are many between Intel and AMD.